Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get anything on Temu for free. You'll be able to place as many orders as you want, and it doesn't even matter how much it costs. Whether it's $500 or even $1,000 worth of stuff, you can get it all completely free. Let me show you exactly how to do this. Basically, the way this method works is I will show you a way to get $1,000 for free into your Cash App, PayPal, or even Amazon or Visa gift card. Then you will take that money and be able to buy whatever you want for completely free. So to get started and be able to claim our money prize, you're going to want to go on your phone and go to this website called uluvpn.com. Basically, once you get the VPN and use it, they give you a $1,000 money prize, which you will be able to claim instantly. And I will even show you proof that it works. So what we have to do is click the button that says pricing and then click get VPN. Yes, it says $3.99, but I'll show you guys how to get it for free after. But anyways, click add to cart and then click the view cart option and then click proceed to checkout. You're going to want to fill out all the details it asks for and check out. Once you check out, it will now show a success pop-up notification saying you have successfully purchased the VPN, and then it will now say the Ulu VPN official app will now install to your home screen. So now we just wait for it to finish installing, and it should be quick because it's not a huge app. And now if we go to our home screen, we will now see the Ulu VPN app is installed. Now, if we open it, we are now in the app. It looks like a completely normal VPN app, but here we will get the bonus app and also a free $1,000 into our Cash App, PayPal, or other options that they have. So if we click the menu in the top left, you will see a button that says Money Claim. If you click that, it will now allow us to enter in our Cash App tag, PayPal email, or it even allows us to choose an Amazon gift card as well. And if we enter it in, it will send us $1,000. So let me try it out right now. I will enter in my Cash App tag and let's see if they will actually send me the money. So as you can see, I have typed it in and it says it's sending it. So let's now open a Cash App and let's check if we received the money. Okay, I'm opening a Cash App and boom. Check that out, guys. We just received $1,000. That's so insane. As you can see, it actually works and Ulu VPN is legit. Also guys, if you want to get a refund on the VPN as well, just go back to uluvpn.com and tap on the get refund button and type in the email you used to make the purchase and they will refund. Make sure you type your email correctly, by the way. But anyways guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you all later.